Okay, so to create your book report, you're going to go into your Google account, and then you're going to go to Docs, and create a presentation. Okay, up here, instead of untitled, we'll call it whatever. January book report. Click OK. And on the marking sheet, it says that the title page at the beginning has to have the picture of the front cover of your book. So, whoops. So, you're going to want to save that picture, hopefully. And then you're going to go Insert, Image, Browse. And this means, of course, that you've saved it already. So, find it and then click Open. And then click OK. And in this case, it's very small, so I'm going to make it as big as I want to make it. And I've just finished the first requirement, which is the title page. Main character, use point form and tell about the main character, and then include a picture. So I'm going to go Slide, New Slide. I'm going to probably pick a 2-column type of slide. So now up here I can call it Characters. Down here I would also use bullet points here. So I'm going to click Bullet. I'm going to say Peter, the oldest. Enter. That gives a new bullet point. Susan. I should also, oldest is not enough. I should say oldest leader, a bit bossy. Susan, oldest girl, kind, loyal. Okay. Now, I want to put in a picture. So once again, I need to save the picture. So I'm going to go Insert, Image, Browse. Do I have a picture here? Nope. Do I have one in here? Yeah. I'll pick this person. Click OK. And I can resize and put the picture where I want. Okay? So that is point number 2. Okay? Now, setting. This is where we start to get into some of the technical stuff. Okay? It says you need to put a shape inserted into this slide. Alright, so I'm going to go New Slide. Pick this same style. Call it Setting. And blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Now, to put in a shape, I'm going to Insert, Shape, and I'm going to pick one of these shapes. So I'm going to pick the circle. Click on it. Now, if I drag that circle over top, it blocks setting. So what I want to do is I want to change the order. Right now, this is on the very, very top. So I'm going to right-click and pick Order and Send to Back. So now it's at the bottom, so anything I drag it over top of will actually be on top of this thing. So I can move this shape and kind of turn it inside out. Sorry, not inside out, but transparent. I could take this and I could center it, then go back to my shape. Whoopsie. Just got to click on. Okay, so my problem here is, does anybody know what my problem is? Ethan?
It's in the box.
Right, it's in the text box. So I actually got to get that text box out of the way so I can grab the shape, put it where I want, and then go back to my text box and move it where I want it to be. So good pickup on that. Okay, so that's how to take care of the shapes. On the plot, it says all slides must have a different color than the rest of the presentation. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go slide, new, this one. What was this again? Plot? Plot, okay. Now, then once again, my blah, blah, blah. So now I want to change the background of the slide. Okay, if I click here, it thinks I want to do something to the text box. So I need to click off and somewhere where I'm not into a text box. Did everybody see that? So if I click here, I'm in a text box. I'm still in a text box. I'm still in a text box. So I'm going to click in between those text boxes. I'm going to click right about here. And now I can change the background. So I click on that. I click on my paint can. I'm going to pick a nice blue. And I'm going to say save. And now I've changed my background color. Okay? So that's how you do this one, changing a different color. Now you could also, and I'll add one more slide here. You'll notice that if you add a slide, it thinks you want to do exactly the same thing to this new slide. So it looked at the previous slide, it was blue, it says, oh, I think you want blue. No, I don't. So I'm going to once again click in the middle. But this time, instead of changing the background, I'm going to just change the theme because it gives me other looks that I might like better. So maybe I want the striped look. Click on there. Changing the theme will remove the current background, which is blue, so I'm okay with that. Click that. Oh, sorry, I did something wrong. I'm going to go undo. Undo. Come on. File. Huh. Oh, there you go. Undo. Why is it not doing that? So we just discovered that if I change the theme, it will actually change every single slide. So that's probably not what I want to do. So instead, change background to red. Now, if I wanted to, I could say apply background to all slides. So that means all of these slides on the left-hand side are going to be red. I don't want that. Okay, so now this slide is red. If I click on new slide, it also makes it red. So I don't want that. Whoopsie. Click just beside it. I want to change it to white instead. Okay. All right, next, author. Picture of the author, nothing really new here. Evaluation, okay. Here you must change the background of the slide by using a picture as the background. Okay, so let's just say this is my evaluation. So I'm going to click not on a text box. I'm going to click the background, and this time I'm going to insert an image as the background. I'm going to browse. No, I don't think I'll do that. I think I will go back to... Do I have one more? My pictures. Let's say... Oh, here's the trophy I've got.
Tablet.
So I'm going to click on the tablet. Okay, fine. I'll click on the tablet. Click open. It says there it is. I'm going to click save, and now it put in that tablet. Okay, so here you're going to have to pick a picture that's large enough to fill up your whole slide. Okay, all right, and I think that might be it, is it? Oh, credits. Okay, so on the last one, if you're working here at school, credits. If you're working here at school, you can insert image, browse, go to desktop, Mr. Sturl, pictures, casual individual pictures, and put this one in, click OK. And then once the picture comes on, and you can see it there, you can resize it and put it wherever you want it to be. Okay? So, that's it as far as the technical stuff.
Okay.